Hello and welcome. Today I'll be unboxing and doing a gel application using this Macaron gel manicure kit in the color Cassis. As always, thank you for being here. Please consider liking and subscribing. I upload new videos weekly. So this is not my first time purchasing a Macaron kit, but this is my first time doing a dark shade like this one, so I was really curious if I would like the formula for darker shades. I'm a really big fan of their little Macaron finger lamps. I love the one that I have for traveling. I feel like it's a great backup. It doesn't take up that much room, and as you can see, it has a magnetic top that you can remove and twist around if you want to flash cure something or do your toes or anything like that. So here you can see everything it comes with. It comes with one gel polish, an LED lamp, nail file, cuticle stick, and 10 gel remover wraps. So here are all the little individual finger wraps. And in this package, we also have the file and the cuticle stick, which is pretty cute that they match the color of the polish. Here is the USB cord for the finger lamp. Here's some instructions and warnings. A little simplified instruction sheet, which is really nice to have just to reference really quickly. And last here we have the color Cassis. So Cassis is described as a deep burgundy brownish red. So I'm going to start by using the cuticle stick to just push back my cuticles and make sure everything is nice and even so that I have an easy time applying this gel polish. And the nice thing about their gel polishes is they're 3-in-1, which means it's a base coat, color, and top coat in one polish. I'm going to prep my nails using UNT Peel Base. I do have the gel remover wraps, but I don't like gel removal in general. It's very time consuming, so I'm going to use the UNT Peel Base to make removal super easy. I will be applying one full coat of Peel Base on my nails off the camera. So before I start, I've got some isopropyl alcohol and a few lint-free wipes here just in case I ever need to clean up. Whenever you get gel on your skin, you want to remove it immediately and not cure it on your skin, so I have those if I need to clean up at any point. Here's a look at the brush. It's a straight edge medium width brush. Instructions specify to do a very thin first coat. I should only need 2 coats, so that's what I will do. And we'll start here on the first coat. Every so often you'll see me bring the brush back to the bottle. I'm just removing any excess polish on my brush because I want layers to be super thin. Because this color is so dark, if you weren't going to do a peel base, it does say it's a 3-in-1, so it's a base coat, color, and top coat in one, but I think with colors like this, to prevent staining, I personally would probably do a gel base, whether it be from Macaron or from another brand, and I can't speak to whether or not this will stain without one, but with peel base, that's a barrier for my nail, and that makes me feel more comfortable, but if I was not doing peel base, I definitely would use a gel base. First coat is looking great, and I will cure this in the mini lamp for 30 seconds. And the nail lamp automatically times out after 30 seconds, but I will clip that part out. So we're just going to go through the rest of these applications for the rest of my fingers, and I will cure them all for 30 seconds. Here, as you can see, I do get a little bit on my skin. I'm just gonna get a little isopropyl alcohol on my wipe and gently remove gel that got on my skin. So as you can see, this color is definitely going to need more than one coat. It's a little patchy and streaky with one layer, but that is to be expected with a dark color, especially like this one. I would recommend, just as a precaution as well, to make sure you cap every single layer. Capping the free edge helps if there's any shrinking of the gel during curing. So on my final second layer, I'm going to hold my hand upside down for a few seconds before curing, just to even out that second layer because I'm not going to be doing top coat or a third coat, and it's looking pretty good. So the more I'm working with this polish for the second coat, and I'm trying really hard to only have to do the 2 coats as it specifies, I am noticing that I have to work with it a lot. Like I have to move it around a lot, and I'm not really happy with how it's looking very easily with only 2 coats. So I think in the future, with this color specifically, I would probably do 3 full coats. And I just think it would probably look its best if I did 3 super thin layers. Could be just how thin the layers I'm doing. Maybe if I did them a tiny bit thicker, this color might look good with only 2 coats. But with my particular application style and how I'm doing super thin coats, I do feel like 2 layers is a little patchy, and that could be due to my nail length as well. If you had short nails, it might be okay with only 2 coats. So I'm pretty happy with 2 coats of this color. It is a very beautiful fall color. I'm going to do my thumb and come back. Alright, so manicure is finished. Again, I'm pretty happy with how this looks, but I think in the future I would do 3 full coats of this particular color. The nice thing is it's not tacky. I just washed my hands and it's ready to go. No top coat needed. Very simple, very beautiful. Thanks for watching.